If all your amazing memories and banger photos are just living on your phone, then you need to see what's just arrived. Check out these colors just popping, and the detail in the image is spot on. This is a premium print service from Canvas Factory, but so affordable. I'm really happy with how my photos have turned out, and I honestly wish I knew I could order all of this online for so cheap sooner. My home really needed a little lift, and as a photography lover, it feels so cool to see my photos printed this big and looking so awesome in my home. Canvas Factory has it all. You can choose from canvas, like this print, or framed beautifully, like this ping pong table image here. They came so quickly, and I ordered from the comfort of my own home in minutes. Love that. This would actually make a really great gift for someone too, and you can even personalize things as well. How cool is that? We all take so many photos these days, so why not celebrate your best images or the memories that you have made and put them on your wall or in your office? Keep an eye on Canvas Factory too, because they often have really, really good sales, and that would be the perfect time to try them. So jump online, have a look, and order a few canvases or art prints for your home, office, or your loved ones as a beautiful gift.